Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So behind me is a box. It's a box of chocolates. The chocolates are from Godiva. Now usually I don't like buying chocolates online for a few reasons. Reason number one is shipping. Shipping can get really expensive. Luckily, this box shipped for free, so I lucked out on there. Reason number two is that I don't like buying chocolates I cannot see in person. If the chocolates don't look good, they probably don't taste good. And lastly, reason number three is temperature. It can get really hot in my city. Temperatures can go 100 degrees and above. So I don't like buying chocolates if they can possibly melt. If I'm working and the box comes to my front doorstep, that box is literally hanging out in the sun for hours. So I'm not sure if the chocolates inside of this box are intact or if they're melted. I'm about to find out. Now Godiva's shipping information states this. Our shipping system monitors the temperatures where your package is being delivered to ensure your gift arrives in perfect condition, no matter the weather. When this box was being delivered, it was 100 degrees plus outside. Are these chocolates melted? Game on. Here's what's inside the box. You have a styrofoam cooler with 1, 2, 3 ice packs, Godiva tissue paper. You get your chocolates wrapped in plastic, and last but not least, a gift message for you. Now it's pretty cool for Godiva to send ice packs with your chocolates, so that way your chocolates don't melt. But does this actually work? Let's find out. Change the point of view. So in front of me, I have the Godiva Cube Truffles collection. 16 truffles. Let's take a look inside. Here are the flavors of what's inside. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, let's take a look here. There's a little paper here. Nutritional information. And from the looks of it, they look to be pretty intact. Let's go ahead and open this up and see. From my initial inspection, the chocolates do not look melted. Oh, they look pretty good. They look pretty intact. I do see a little leakage here, but other than that, they look fine. So it's safe to say that the ice packs worked. I hope I was able to alleviate some of your fears about buying Godiva chocolates online. So from the box that I just opened, the ice packs looked like they worked, the chocolates were intact, and only one of them had leakage, but that could have been from anything. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you have an awesome week. I hope you have a great chocolate week, whatever the case may be. Don't forget to give this video a like, please leave some comments down below, and please go ahead and subscribe to my chocolate channel. I hope you have a good day, and I want you to leave here with one thing. Go play. All right, see you next time.